Welcome to Nobility Learning Center. Today I'll present you about the kinetic theory of matter, grade 9, unit 5, and part 2, chemistry. Uh, uh, the main objective of this lesson is at the end of this lesson, students will be able to explain the kinetic theory of matter. Okay, the three states of matter in which substances are chemically the same but physically different are explained by the kinetic theory of matter. The kinetic theory of matter gives an explanation of the nature of the motion and the heat energy. According to the kinetic theory of matter, energy, according to the kinetic theory of matter, every substance consists of a very large number of very small particles called ions, atoms, and molecules. The particles in a state of continuous and random motion with all possible velocities. The motion of the particles increases with a rise in temperature. Generally, the kinetic theory of matter is based on what? The following three assumptions. Number one, all matter is composed of what? Particles. All matter is made of what? Very small particles, which are in constant, random, and continuous motion. The particles possess kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of an object in motion, and the potential energy is the energy within. The difference between the three states of matter is due to their energy content and the motion of the particles. Okay, the three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, you can convert solid into liquid, liquid into gas by heating, by increasing the heat energy. The heat energy is the energy of solid is less than the energy of liquid, which is less than what the energy of gas. Okay, when we convert solid into liquid, liquid into gas, is by what? It is performed by adding heat energy. And also we can convert gas into liquid, liquid into what? Solid. And we can also directly convert solid substances into what? Gas, gas into what? Solid by changing the heat energy. And they also differ by what? The motion of particles. Okay, as the energy content increase, the motion of the particles also what? Increase. Okay, when we go from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, the motion of the particles is increasing. Okay, these three states of matter differ by what? Energy content and motion of the particles. Okay, let's summarize the main points about the kinetic theory of matter. The kinetic theory of matter is based on what? The following three assumptions. The first one is all matter is made up of what? Small particles called small particles. These particles are in continuous motion, in constant motion. The particles possess both kinetic energy and potential energy, and the three physical states of matter differ by what? The motion of the particles and their energy content. Okay, review questions. Is part one, multiple choice question. According to the kinetic theory of gases, gas particles do not always move in a straight line. Have most their volume occupied by what? Empty space, attract each other, do not always move randomly. Okay, which one is correct according to the kinetic theory of what? Gases. Students, you can pause the video and give answer for this question. Okay. Okay. The answer is B. Okay, have most their volume occupied by empty space because the particles of gas are far apart. The force of attraction between gaseous particles is almost negligible. Therefore, there is what? Empty space between particles. Okay, the answer is B. Number two, the kinetic energy of a gas is dependent on temperature. Yes, the kinetic energy of a gas is dependent on the absolute temperature, directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Okay, number three, the kinetic molecular theory states that choose all that apply. Okay, A, all molecules of a substance stay in constant motion. Yes, this is correct. B, all atoms or molecules of a gas have no intermolecular attractions. Yes, gas will only take up a certain volume and then stop diffusing. False. D, gases have no set volume. True. Collision between molecules are completely elastic. Yes. Gas molecules do not move. False. Okay. Part 2, give short answer. What are the assumptions of kinetic theory of matter? What are the three assumptions? The three theories of the kinetic theory of matter. Okay, number one, all matter is made up of particles, and the particles are in constant, continuous motion. And the second is the particles possess both kinetic energy and potential energy. And the third, the three physical states of matter differ by energy content and motion of particles. Okay, this is all about the kinetic theory of matter. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment my channel. Thank you very much.